welcome back to BuonaPappa. Today we're going to cook together chickpeas croquettes or tots. Yes, I was looking for a baby and toddler friendly recipe to offer non-animal based proteins for lunch or for snack, and I really think that you will like these croquettes. Chickpeas are loaded with proteins, are super creamy. They are a perfect ingredient for a baby and toddler recipe. Are you ready to bake? Let's start together. We are starting peeling and chopping our potatoes in small pieces. Then we're going to boil them for 15-20 minutes up until tender. Drain and let them cool down for a few minutes. Meanwhile, you can drain the chickpeas and rinse them and simply set them aside. It's time to take our food processor and add all the ingredients, starting from the chickpeas, then the potatoes, the bread, and today I use a mini burger bun that I have left over in the fridge. You can use any kind of bread that you like, a toast slice, anything that you have available, no problem. We are also going to add breadcrumbs, egg, Parmesan cheese, fresh thyme that I missed, but you can also add dried thyme, it works too. And we're going to adjust with just a pinch of salt, not a lot, and simply blend to obtain a thick but smooth paste like this one. In a large bowl, we're going to mix 1.5 cups of breadcrumbs with some Parmesan and paprika, sweet paprika. Mix everything together. With 1 tablespoon of chickpeas mix, we're going to form a round croquette or an oval tot. Tots, they are a cylindric shape, so they're easy to handle by little ones. And croquettes, they're easy either to pick with a fork or even to grab with their hands. You can even get creative and make some heart-shaped ones. Coat the croquette or tot in the breadcrumb mix and then line them on a baking sheet lined with some parchment paper. Drizzle some extra virgin olive oil on top and bake in preheated oven at 400 degrees for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove from the oven, flip on the other side. You might want to drizzle again some extra virgin olive oil on top if you see that they're a bit dry on top, and they go back in the oven for another 10 minutes. So 20 minutes total, 10 minutes flip, and then 10 minutes. And your chickpeas croquettes are ready to be enjoyed and served. Can I freeze any leftover? Yes, this recipe freezes very well. You have two options. You can freeze the croquette or tots before baking them. Place them in a freezer bag and freeze them so that when you will need them, you will just need to remove them directly on the baking tray and directly in the oven from the freezer. Or if you want to bake them, you can freeze them after baking. Same thing, in a freezer bag in the freezer for up to 4 months, and then when you will need them, you can simply tow them either in the oven, in the microwave, or in the toaster for a few minutes. In the oven at 250 for 10-15 minutes, microwave for 1-2 minutes, in the toaster for 1-2 minutes, also in the air fryer if you have it, it works very well too. As mentioned, this is an easy, freezable recipe and will save you tons of time during crazy weeknights. Can I skip the egg? Yes, you can. If you have any egg allergy or intolerance, simply skip the eggs and you can substitute 1 egg either with 1 tablespoon of chia seeds mixed with 3 tablespoons of water, or 1 tablespoon of flax meal mixed with 3 tablespoons of water. Either substitution will work. In this recipe, the egg has a binding role, so you need to substitute it with something that binds, that glues together all the other ingredients. Can I add the vegetables to this recipe? Yes, you can. Today I wanted to share with you the easy, cheesy, kid-friendly recipe, the base one. but you can also add some veggies into your chickpea croquettes. For example, I tried with zucchini. I simply grated one zucchini, squeeze it and add it to the mix. Or you can add sweet peas, frozen sweet peas. Half a cup will be enough. If you want to go on a sweeter route, you can add one grated carrot, or you can substitute the regular potatoes with sweet potatoes. All these options, they are lovely, they are super tasty, and also they add more nutrients to the recipe. I really hope you're going to enjoy this recipe. We did. If you're looking for similar recipes, finger food thoughts, I do have a playlist, so check it out either here or in the comment area here below. Most important thing, remember to subscribe to BuonaPappa. Every single week you will receive a new recipe from me. Ciao, ciao, ciao!